Hello everyone, this is Dr. Rajesh and today we will study program to find the trace of the given matrix. So firstly we shall study what is the definition of trace. Trace in case of a square matrix, let us say we take a square matrix of order 3 by 3, say it is A11, A12, A13, A21, 22, A23, A31, A32, A33. So this is a square matrix of order 3 by 3. So in this case trace, and say this matrix is named as A. Trace of A is equal to sum of the diagonal elements. So diagonal elements in this case are A11, A22 and A33. Sum of the diagonal elements will be this one. So this is called trace, and this has to be square matrix. Like here it is of 3 by 3 order. So this is a square matrix and its trace is the sum of the diagonal elements. And how we will do it in the programming? In the programming, like if we see here one thing, that upon the diagonal first subscript equal to second subscript, and here also both are equal, here also both are equal. So in the programming we will be writing if I equal to j, that will check the equality, and if both are equal then those elements A11, A22, A33 will be added. And initially in the first step when they will be added to some variable which we would have been initialized to 0. Say this variable will be trace equal to 0. So it will be trace equal to trace plus A, and in 2-dimensional form it will be this one. So this will be the logic of the program. In this, whenever first subscript will equal to second subscript, this if statement will run and trace value will be modified. In first iteration A11 will be added to 0, that will A11. In the second it will run for A22. A22 will be added to A11, and that's how it will take the sum of all the diagonal elements of a square matrix. Like here we have taken 3 by 3, it could be 4 by 4, it could be 5 by 5, okay, and so on. But this program will sum up all the diagonal elements and give the trace of the given matrix. So now we will run this in the computer and see that how it works. So here we are. Now we will open a new file and we'll save this file as, say, Rajesh trace. Okay, so that file has been saved. Now we will be making the program. So we are going to include the header files. Now next, include second header file, this one. Now this will be main program. Declare the variable, say int declare the 2-dimensional, say size is 10 by 10. Now next variable is are indexing variables I and j. Another will be for n order of a square matrix, say n by n, so one variable is required only. Next will be trace, and that it is initialized to 0. So these are the variables. So we will be adding more variables if we will require in the program. So as of now we think that these variables would be suitable. So next will be printf, enter the order of a square matrix. So order of the square matrix will be entered and that order will be scanned with %d and %n. Now we will scan the matrix. So this portion I am going to write in the comment section is the scanning of the given matrix. So whatever matrix is entered, that will scan. So for that we will use for loop for I is equal to 0 to I less than the order entered, I plus plus, and this one. And since it is two dimensional, so two for loops will be there. This will be j is equal to 0, j less than n, and this will be j plus plus. So next will be printf. Ask the user to enter the elements. Now printf, enter the value of a %d equal to, and say new line. So that value will be entered, and here variable I and j will be used. So that value will be entered, and next is scan that value. This will be %d. So whatever a with ampersand sign, it will be scanned, I j. Fine. So that value will be scanned, and here you will write clear screen. So this section has done the scanning of the matrix. Matrix has been scanned. Now next we will write it on the whatever matrix has been scanned, we will write it on the output screen, and for this we will print the matrix. For this I will be requiring this portion, so I am going to copy it from here and going to paste over there. So, and this portion is called printing the matrix on the output screen. Okay, so do one thing. So here we are, this will be closed and this braces will be closed, and inside we will write printf. It will be for j. Now we have to print the value. It will be %d, and it is a, here is I, here is j. Okay, so with each value in the same row I am going to introduce a tab, and after this loop has been iterated, so I am going to enter a new line character. So this will introduce the new line character. So that is done. So now we will be doing the summation. So for this I will again be needing to access the matrix. So I am going to copy it. So this will be we copy here, and I am going to paste it over here. So, and this is known as code to calculate the trace. So in this, what will happen? So this will complete, close the brace, this will close. So here I am going to use if I is equal to j, then in the if statement I am going to write trace is equal to trace plus it will be a I j, okay, and outside of it, when this will be done, we are going to print the trace of the given matrix is %d, and here it will be trace. So that is done. Now in the end we are going to get ch, and it will be return 0. So this is the program, and we'll see and whether it runs or not. We'll try to compile it with control F9, so it's running fine. So here we are going to enter, firstly we are going to enter 2 by 2 order matrix. Enter the order of the square matrix, it is 2. First element say 1, second 2, again 1 2. So this is the matrix that I have entered, 1 2 1 2, and its trace is 1 plus 2. The trace of the given matrix is 3. So that is done. So now I will do it one more time with 3 by 3 matrix. I am going to enter 1 2 3, again 1 2 3, for the sake of simplicity 1 2 3. So here you see entered matrix is 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, and diagonal is 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. So the trace of the given matrix is 6. So that's all we have from this program. So this program is to find the trace of the given matrix, and this program is important from examination point of view. So that's all I have from this lecture, and if you have liked the lecture, please like, subscribe, share and comment. This is Dr. Rajesh saying goodbye. Take care. Bye bye. See you soon.